Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. 2010 Mazda 3 4-cylinder spark plug replacement. Let's get to it. Should be a pretty easy job for you. This is a 2.0 liter engine. Got a cover here. Mouse action. $15mm little things here for the beauty cover. You take these off so you can get to the bolt studs for the coils. All the tools I'm going to use. Basically, air ratchet, 15mm deep socket, an extension, spark plug socket, and an 8mm socket, semi-deep. Everything is left to loosen, right to tighten. You just pull them out, don't even have to disconnect the electrical. Even the spark plug socket's nice. It has a little rubber boot inside to hold the spark plug onto your socket. It's a main benefit to a spark plug socket. It's 5/8. And you'll just do the same for all the rest. Left to loosen, take them out. So you can check the gap on your spark plugs if you want. 0.049 to 0.053, about. One of different style gappers. You want to be careful with the spark plugs that are platinum tipped. It's looking pretty good though. Just check all of them if you want to. They really recommend actually that you don't adjust them, but I mean if it got dropped you might have to. Just be careful not to be damaging the platinum tip. You'll just shorten the life of your plug. Start the new one by hand all the time. It's basically the touch bottom there. Tightening torque is actually about 89 to 123 inch-pounds. You see how far that is when you turn it. Barely anything. So not very much turning at all. A 1/16, 5 degrees or something like that after it's touched bottom. Not required, but if you can get some dielectric grease, it's always nice to add some of that to the boot.